Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Last time I shared with you a video of my baby Sahaj and you guys loved it so much, so that's why I thought why not share with you another video with you guys. This is another photo shoot with Simar. He's my son, he's my baby, my lovely angel, and I hope you guys enjoy this photo shoot. So let's get started. If you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really means a lot to me. And you can also share this video with your friends and family who can benefit from this video and feel inspired as well. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye. Love you all.